Hey, this is Doing It with Doll. Ignore my balding head. Come with me while I renovate my house. I'm starting with my downstairs bathroom. I got a lot of the work done already, but I find myself starting a lot of projects and never really finishing them. I'll pick at them here and there, but they never get done. So hopefully posting on this account every day and just kind of keeping up with it will help with consistency and finishing something for once. This is my cat. Her name's Bindi, Inspector Bindi. She's my job site manager. But yeah, I'm going to be posting every day, and hopefully you guys like it.